What's going on, everybody? Gary here from G from BC. Today's actually a sad day. I'm back into F150 actually for the last time. I know I've said it before that I wasn't gonna get rid of this baby of mine, this F150, but I had to make some tough decisions, and I actually am not only getting rid of the F150, I'm also getting rid of the RAV4. So let me explain. As you guys know, I do own a RAV4 and my F150. I love my F150, and like I said already earlier, I don't really want to get rid of it, but I have to. I need a new daily, and the RAV4, like, it's awesome. Great in gas, everything else, perfect. But I love trucks. So I've wanted a hybrid truck to kind of use in the future, and I've owned that RAV4 for about 2 years, and I finally decided that it's just not, the size for that RAV4 is just not for me, and I love my truck. So I decided to trade in the RAV4, which I actually already did yesterday. I dropped it off and picked up my new vehicle. I'm not gonna mention what I got yet, but you guys will eventually see what I got later on in this video. Let's talk about more about the F150. I love this F150. This is like the one vehicle, the first vehicle that I bought with my own money, and I got it by myself. Paid it off like actually right before pandemic, and I was, didn't have any debt. Unfortunately, now I'm back to having debt a little bit, but pay to play, I guess. I didn't want to get rid of it, but I wanted a daily and I wanted a truck. So I started shopping around, still undecided whether or not I wanted to get rid of it until I got a smoking good deal. All the trims that I was kind of looking for to replace both the RAV4 and the F150, I found it, and I jumped on it, checked it out, made a deal, and now we're driving the F150 to the dealership. Yeah, sad day for sure. It's very apropos that it's actually raining right now, because I'm feeling it, right? Like, I mean, I love this vehicle. Like, I never thought I would actually get rid of it, but unfortunately it's just, sitting there in my driveway. I'm not using it, and I figured, why not let it go and find a better home. This is my F-150 is actually very low mileage, so I'm sure somebody will be able to pick it up, fix it up a little bit, and use it to whatever they need to, hopefully for adventures, because this vehicle is meant to be out there and not at the driveway. But before I let you guys, or before I let this baby of mine go, let's go rewind back at all the good memories that I had with first off with the F-150, and then followed on with the RAV4. Might even mix it up, but all the adventures I did with those two vehicles, we're gonna have right now.
buddy. I thought it was happening. I got so scared.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed that little montage that I created for the two vehicles. I'm actually headed back to the dealership right now. I'm in the new truck, but yeah, I'm probably gonna show you guys exactly what I got. But yeah, I'm headed back to the dealership. They're gonna be detailing and gassing up my truck here, and I get to get a last goodbye to the F150 and maybe even the RAV4 if it's still in the lot there. But anyways, headed over there. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, just at the dealership. Here's the Rav. Bye, Rav. And then we're gonna go check out the F150. Really glad I got to see this one last time. My truck. You done well. All right, so it's been a month since I let go of the RAV4 and the F150, and honestly, I still miss my F150. But now I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got a new to me 2021 F150 Lariat Power Boost FX4 off-road. And yeah, I'm gonna be talking about it more in the future, on a future video. But yeah, basically we're going back to full size, guys, and very happy so far. I've owned it for about a month now. I've been driving it for a month now, and very happy with the new truck. But anyways, that'll do it for this video. If you guys are excited with the new truck and all the adventures that we're going to be doing with the new truck, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome.